We're Dave Sinclair Customs, and this is a 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Crew Cab that we just finished customizing for our inventory. In this video, we'll show you what we customized and how you can check out this truck for yourself. This is a stage 1 customization, and that includes a full chrome delete. We use paint for nearly every chrome item on our trucks and SUVs, and the only items that we don't paint are the side window trim and the running boards. Those items get vinyl wrapped. This truck came in Downpour Metallic, which is a very popular paint scheme for our trucks and SUVs. And like the other trucks that we've customized in the past, we went with Downpour Metallic for most of the chrome pieces on the Sierra. And that includes things like the door handles, the keyless entry button, the side badge, and the grille surround, all of which are color matched. Like other trucks, we painted the grille and the decals black, but we went in a different direction with the GMC emblems. Instead of a two-tone alternating look, both the front and back emblems were blacked out. And we also blacked out the dual exhaust tips. We swapped out the factory tires and rims and raised the truck a few inches. This truck sits on around 33-inch NITTO Ridge grappler tires and 22-inch Vossen Rims. Then we installed a 3.5-inch lift kit. The front windows were tinted to match the rear, and all 4 windows received these rain guards. And in the back, we installed this hard tri-fold bed cover, which concludes this customization. You can check out this truck by clicking the link below in this video, and at the time of this video's publishing, this truck is available. You can also check out our entire customs inventory and our new and used inventory by clicking the links below. If you want to customize with us, call 314-842-4200, or you can send an email to our customs director, Dan Sinclair Jr. at sinclaircustoms@davesinclairauto.com.